How to share live location in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Google Maps on your device. Now wait for the application to load. Now tap on the compass icon. Now tap on turn on. Now tap on your location. Now tap on share location. Now give the permissions and tap on continue. Now select either email or select any other social media app. You can also simply tap on messages and tap on the contact name. Now tap on share. Now give the permissions. Go to settings. Now select allow all the time and go back. Now wait for some time. Now select your contact and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.